Hey there, welcome to the Beacon International MyAccount. If you're a registered user, you have access to a handy feature called MyPriceLists. Let's take a look. Here you can find all your personalized pricing information. Your price list includes all your individual discounts and special pricing agreements. This is a great way to keep track of your pricing and make sure you're getting the best deals. Click on the Download CSV button and this will download your price list in CSV format to your local downloads folder. This makes it easy to print or share your prices with others. You can then open the CSV file in either Excel or Google Sheets. The file has automatically opened in Excel, and we are presented with all of our up-to-date price list data. The data columns are sorted by SKU, variation, category, by price, hire code SKU, and the weekly hire price. Here we will import the MyPriceLists data into Google Sheets. On the import file prompt, select Browse. I'm on Windows, so I'll navigate to the Downloads folder and select the Beacon price list file to import. Go ahead and click Import the data. This will populate your blank Google Sheet. From here, you can view the data in the same manner as Excel. If you have any questions about your price list, please contact your local branch or alternatively reach out to our customer support team via the website.